Hi, my name is Jeremy Humphreys, and on this visual bite I want to talk about using the status button on the side of the camera on both the Mark I and the Mark II versions. The status button gives you an instant representation of all the settings that are currently set on the camera. It's a sort of reinforcement of the user menu. Actually, it's a bit quicker going via the status button. You see everything that's actually programmed into the camera. But key within the status button, if you scroll through, you'll come across a whole 4-channel list of your audio settings. So you can set your levels within the status button, where you can see your levels much clearer than you can on the viewfinder, where you can only see 2 small channels. Also within the audio status button, not only have you got the 4 channels of audio where you can see more precisely your levels as opposed to the viewfinder, but you can also see what microphones are plugged in, external, internal, and even from the MI shoe.